run as administrator and click yes. No accounts has been registered. Please upload a user token first. Take note that the tokens before this version of Silvertech is useless. So you need to have your credentials first so you can create a token and then you can upload the token later. So click OK. Then here I have a ZN Division Authenticator. So click in this. And I have to enter my PTS ID, which is I need to go back to deped zn.net/PTS. Login. Okay, update. So here, this is my account in PTS. I just click on my account here and then click on my account so I can view my PTS ID, which is here. Copy. I need to copy that one and then go back to Silvertech, paste it here, and then you have to enter your TIN. Okay, so maybe I blurred it because of data privacy, but the process is still the same. So I pasted my TIN. I have to enter my username. My username will be my name. Password, I need to create my password. User type, I will click on this category that applies account. So I'm not a master teacher, I am not department head, I'm not a school head, PSDS or EPS. So I need to click teacher. And then this is my machine ID. So it will automatically generated by this program Silvertech to detect and create a machine ID of your laptop or computer. And then please, it says here, please provide the necessary information below in order to recover your username and password in case you forgot your account. Your entered information will be used solely for this purpose. So recovery question, I will select here. Let's see. I would select favorite color so I can easily remember. And this is just an example, no? I would answer the color which is my favorite. If you are done answering all the blanks fields here, so you need to click on validate and download token. So click on that. Okay, so I have already downloaded my token, user token here. So I need to go back to Silvertech and then I have to click on upload user token. So click on this and then you have to update your region, division, school ID, school name, and user token. So please provide correct region and division. This information will be registered to the developer's users monitoring module and may affect system utilization. Changing this information we may need developer's approval. So I have to select my region, which is region 9, and division, Zamboanga del Norte. School ID, I have my school ID 303716. School name, Polanco National High School. And my user token, click on this and then I have to pick up my user token, which is this. Open, then save user token. So it will take some time and then uploading token is successful. Click OK. And now we need to log in our Silvertech. So based upon on what you put there, I did put my name as my username and my password. Click on login to continue, and I'm in. So upon logging in, you'll be prompted to this system disclaimer and end user license agreement, or EULA, EULA. So if you have time, you can read this, but on this demonstration, I will just click accept. Okay, so after that, you will be prompted to your school information. So you have to set this up, so every time you use the Silvertech, your school information is already recorded or registered. So region, we have to select, I have to select Zamboanga Peninsula, Division of Zamboanga del Norte. District, I have here Polanco 1. School ID 303-716. School name Polanco NHS. School address Poblacion South, Polanco ZN, Zamboanga del Norte. School head, we have here Gerardo, our school principal, R. Montilla Jr. He is a principal 4 of our school. Then click on save to save all this data. Click save. Okay, so now we are in Silvertech, and as you can see here, if you click this one, I am already in Silvertech LMS version 30.02 Arena. So that's it for installing Silvertech LMS. Thank you.